What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. If you are looking to upgrade your office storage, you are exactly in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet models available right now to keep your workspace organized. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Techni Mobili 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet. The Techni Mobili 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet brings smart storage and security right to your workspace. Made from sturdy engineered wood, this cabinet offers a clean, professional look that fits perfectly into home offices, small business setups, or even shared work areas without taking up too much room. Right away, you will notice how practical it feels. The two spacious drawers give you plenty of space to organize important documents, folders, and supplies, so everything stays neat and easy to find. What really stands out is the convenient locking mechanism in the top drawer. With one simple turn of the key, it secures both drawers and the entire cabinet, giving you peace of mind that your sensitive papers stay protected from prying eyes or accidental access. Mobility is another big plus here. The non-marking casters make it incredibly easy to roll the cabinet from one spot to another whenever you need to rearrange your space or move it closer during busy days. These wheels glide smoothly across floors and leave no scratches behind, so you can enjoy flexible placement without any worries. At 15.75 inches long, 17.75 inches wide, and 22.75 inches high, this filing cabinet strikes a nice balance between compact size and useful capacity. It slides neatly under most desks or beside them, helping you maximize every inch of your workspace. Assembly is required, but the straightforward design means you can have it ready to use in a reasonable amount of time with basic tools. The Techni Mobili 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet combines durability, security, and everyday convenience in one affordable package. The engineered wood construction holds up well over time while keeping the overall weight manageable for easy handling. Whether you are storing client files, tax documents, or daily office essentials, this cabinet helps create an organized environment that supports better focus and productivity. Its simple yet functional style blends seamlessly with different decor themes, from modern minimalist setups to more traditional office looks. You will appreciate how the smooth drawer operation and reliable lock system make daily use effortless. Roll it wherever you need extra storage, lock it when you step away, and enjoy knowing your important items stay safe and sorted. The Techni Mobili 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet truly delivers practical office solutions that make a real difference in how smoothly your workday flows. Coming in at number 4, we have the Halitaa 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet. The Halitaa 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet delivers stylish organization with a warm farmhouse touch that instantly makes any workspace feel more inviting. This vertical cabinet combines rustic charm and elegant details to create a comfortable, nostalgic look that fits beautifully in home offices, living areas, or small business spaces. Inside, you get 2 generous drawers, each equipped with 2 adjustable hanging rods. These rods make it simple to organize your A4 or letter-size file folders so everything stays neatly sorted and easy to access. No more messy piles or lost papers, just clean, efficient storage that keeps your important documents right where you need them. What truly sets this cabinet apart is its charming farmhouse style. The design exudes warmth and a touch of nostalgia while still feeling fresh and elegant. It brings a cozy, welcoming vibe that blends well with many different decor themes, turning a practical filing solution into a piece you actually enjoy having around. At 15.75 inches deep by 15.75 inches wide by 26.7 inches high, this compact cabinet is perfect for saving space. It slides neatly under most desks without crowding your area, yet still offers plenty of useful storage. And it is not just for files. The sturdy top makes it an excellent printer stand, giving you a multifunctional piece that works hard in your daily setup. Mobility is smooth and reliable thanks to 5 industrial-strength swivel casters. Two of them lock securely to keep the cabinet stable when you need it in place, while the fifth wheel under the bottom drawer adds extra balance and prevents tipping. You can easily roll it around to wherever you need extra storage or move it out of the way in seconds. The Halitaa two-drawer rolling filing cabinet strikes a wonderful balance between beautiful design and everyday practicality. Whether you are managing household paperwork, client files, or daily office essentials, it helps create an organized, productive environment with a style that feels personal and homey. The adjustable rods, secure locking casters, and versatile size make it a smart addition that simplifies your space while looking great every single day. At number 3, the Staples two-drawer rolling filing cabinet. The Staples two-drawer rolling filing cabinet is a reliable and practical solution that brings effortless organization to your workspace. Designed to hold letter-size files, this cabinet helps you keep important documents neatly sorted and easy to access every single day. One of the standout features is the lockable security system. With a single lock that secures both drawers at once, you can confidently protect your confidential papers and enjoy real peace of mind, whether you are stepping away from your desk at home or in a busy office. Accessing your files feels smooth and effortless thanks to the Smooth Glide drawers. They open and close with minimal effort, making your daily routine much more convenient. Plus, the included casters give you excellent mobility, so you can easily roll the cabinet wherever you need it without any hassle. The versatile design works beautifully in many different environments, from cozy home offices to professional corporate settings. At 18.9 inches deep by 14.3 inches wide by 26.3 inches high, it stays compact enough for smaller spaces while still offering solid storage capacity. It fits neatly under desks or alongside other furniture without crowding your area. The Staples two-drawer rolling filing cabinet combines sturdy construction with thoughtful details that make it a true everyday helper. The reliable locking mechanism, smooth drawer operation, and easy rolling casters work together to create a filing solution that supports productivity and keeps your space tidy. Its clean, functional style blends seamlessly into almost any work environment, helping you stay organized without sacrificing convenience or security. Whether you are managing household paperwork, client documents, or team files, this cabinet from Staples delivers dependable performance that simplifies your workflow and brings order to your daily tasks. It is a smart, no-fuss choice that proves its value from the very first use. In the second spot, we have the Bush Home two-drawer rolling filing cabinet. The Bush Home two-drawer rolling filing cabinet brings flexible storage that moves with you throughout your day. Part of the Key West collection, this mobile file cabinet offers convenient organization wherever you need it most in your home office or living spaces. It rolls effortlessly thanks to dual-wheeled casters that make repositioning simple and smooth. You can lock them in place once you find the ideal spot, and the low-profile design allows it to slide neatly underneath most computer desks for excellent space-saving benefits. This means you gain storage without sacrificing valuable floor area. Inside, the bottom drawer glides open on smooth, full-extension ball-bearing slides, giving you easy access to all your letter-size paperwork. The upper drawer serves as a handy spot to keep writing utensils, notepads, and other office supplies neatly organized and always within reach. Everything stays accessible so you can maintain focus and productivity without digging through clutter. The modern farmhouse style stands out with its slightly distressed finish options that add warm charm. It complements coastal, cottage, and modern farmhouse decor beautifully, whether you pair it with a matching desk or use it as a standalone piece. The design brings an easygoing, inviting feel that enhances any room. This cabinet shines as a true multi-use solution. Beyond under-desk storage, you can place it next to your sofa as a living room side table, beside the bed as a nightstand, or in the entryway to organize keys and daily essentials. Its versatility makes it a practical addition across your home. The Bush Home two-drawer rolling filing cabinet delivers cohesive style thanks to the Key West collection. You can match it with other pieces like a computer desk, lateral file cabinet, or bookcase to create a unified look in your workspace, or coordinate it with entryway, living room, and bathroom furniture for a consistent home aesthetic. Overall, this rolling cabinet combines sturdy mobility, smart organization features, and timeless farmhouse appeal in one compact package. The lockable casters, smooth drawers, and flexible design help keep your important documents and supplies sorted while adding warmth and character to your surroundings. It is a thoughtful choice that simplifies daily tasks and elevates your space with both function and style. And finally, at number 1, we have the Vasagle 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet. The Vasagle 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet from the Custos collection brings clean modern style and smart storage to your home office. With its crisp right-angled lines, this piece fits seamlessly into almost any space and pairs beautifully with matching furniture for a cohesive, polished look. You get 2 spacious drawers that make organizing effortless. Each one comes with adjustable hanging rails so you can easily accommodate A4 or letter-size file folders and keep all your documents neatly sorted and quick to access. No more scattered papers or messy piles, just clean, efficient file storage that supports your daily workflow. At 15.7 inches deep by 16.5 inches wide by 27.6 inches high, this cabinet is wonderfully space-saving. It slides neatly under most desks to free up valuable room while still offering plenty of capacity, and it is not limited to files alone. The sturdy top works great as a printer stand, giving you a versatile piece that handles multiple jobs in one compact footprint. Mobility is smooth and practical thanks to 5 360-degree swivel casters. You can move the cabinet around with ease whenever you rearrange your setup. The 2 front casters lock securely to keep everything stable when you want it in place, and the 5th wheel on the bottom drawer adds extra balance and prevents tipping for reliable everyday use. Setting it up is straightforward too. The clearly labeled parts and illustrated instructions make assembly a breeze, so you can start organizing your home office or study room in no time at all. The Vasagle 2-drawer rolling filing cabinet strikes an excellent balance between modern simplicity and real functionality. Its clean design adds a fresh touch to your workspace, while the adjustable rails, lockable casters, and versatile size deliver practical benefits you will appreciate every day. Whether you are managing work documents, household files, or creative supplies, this cabinet helps create an organized, efficient environment that looks great and works even better. It is a smart, stylish solution that makes staying on top of paperwork feel simple and satisfying. That wraps up our top picks for the best office storage solutions. Check the price link in the description to find the best deals on these fantastic models. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome reviews and guides. See you in the next one.